This is a Sharp, it's made in the 80s, Sharp FX-C11W in all its original packaging, and it's never been opened. So this plastic is all original from the factory from back in the 80s. And I didn't even open it. I wanted to let the new owner decide what to do with it, either collect it or use it. But I just wanted to show you as a video documentary that this thing, without qualified technical servicing, it sounds like this, right? I mean, it works, but so typically when you buy something like off of eBay or from a Goodwill, or even if you were to find one that's never been sold before and it's new old stock, it's going to have issues. So the customer that buys this one, I can service it, I can clean it up, I can do the alignment, and then do the electrical diagnostics so that it sounds good. But out of the box, new old stock like this, even after 45 years or so, is going to have issues. So I'll show you. I'm leaving it in the plastic to show you that, in order to maintain all the original packaging. So this is FM. See how it's scratchy? That could be remedied at no additional charge if you buy it from us. But I just want to leave it in all the original packaging to show you for demonstration purposes. So this is FM, this is AM, and that buzzing sound is our electrical system in the house. AM picks up noise a lot more readily than FM, which is why FM became more popular. See, all that can be fixed. So if you want to collect this radio, it would sound just like this. If you want to buy it as a brand new radio, we would do what we do, and it would sound great. It's a brand new radio. It sounds pretty good even as it is. All right, so let's put the alarm. The alarm is back here, so I switched it to alarm. Now I gotta jigger this thing. So it's 12:09. Time. Okay, 2:04. Now I do the alarm. Let's see, the alarm. Let's set the alarm. The alarm is 12 o'clock. So let's set this to 2. All right. And then advance it by 4 minutes and see what happens. Time. Oh, the alarm's got reset after the time. So 1 more minute. All right. 2:05. 2:06. Okay. So that's the alarm right there. I think that alarm needs to be cleaned out, and then it'll sound like an alarm. But again, we'll do that for you. So now let's wake to radio. All right. Okay, let's set the alarm to 2:11. Okay, and the time. Okay, set the alarm. Set the alarm. Okay, alarm. So now you wake to radio, no buzzer. Let's set the alarm is set to 2:11. Let's advance the time 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so everything works.